Your head pull up, at the back of the head pull up, so your chin naturally drop down. Okay, but don't stiff your neck. And then relax your neck. Your collarbone should sink, not stick out. Sink. And round up your back, chest go in, round up back. Okay, head go up, don't drop. And then you drop your tailbone, loosen up your head, loosen up the knee. Your knee should bend slightly. Yeah. And then you move your weight to the ball of your foot. Don't stand on your heel. Okay? Alright? Good. And then put your hands by the side. Okay? Yeah. And your fingers should be gently extended. You don't use force, gently extended. Okay, so now imagine you'll have a little ball under your armpit. And this ball starts to inflate and push your arm open. But don't lift your elbow. Don't go like this. See, once you go like this, you're lifting your elbow. Don't lift your elbow. Just the armpit open. Let your elbow drop down. Open up slowly. Open up slowly. Loosen up your shoulder joint. Completely open to the side. Don't go up inward like this. To the side. Loosen to the side. Yeah, like this. And now halfway through, and then you will feel like if you want to keep open, you feel the stress on your shoulder. So at this time, you want to drop your shoulder, drop your elbow. Your shoulder joint kind of a slight rotation. Drop. And then you get your hands will go up, and the shoulder and the elbow stay down. Okay? And then you go down, drop your shoulder, drop your elbow, drop your palm, and keep the ball under your armpit there. Don't squeeze it. Okay? Don't squeeze it completely. Here we go. Then you open up again. Drop your shoulder, drop your elbow, lift your hand, your palms are facing down. Yes. And then go up, up, shoulder down, elbow down, up, up, finish, go up a little bit more, extend, extend, extend. Right hand, a little bit more, finish. Right hand. The other hand, yeah, that hand, right hand, a little bit more. Right hand, not the left, right hand. Yeah, here we go. Good. So drop, 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 drop. Don't squeeze the ball under your armpit. Keep it open. Okay, one more time. Keep your shoulder down. Keep your elbow down. Extend your elbow. Yep. Here we go. Drop your shoulder. Drop your elbow. Drop your palm. Don't squeeze the ball under your armpit. Okay, push, open. Open your shoulder, open your armpit. Really wide. Drop your shoulder. Drop your elbow. Now reach out. Go up, up, up. With the palm down. Palm down. Here we go. Drop your left elbow. Drop down. Palm down. Here we go. Drop your shoulder. Drop your elbow. Drop your wrist. Don't squeeze the ball. Open up again. Open up again. Drop. Raise up. And lift up your fingers slightly like this. Go up. Like tilt it up. Here we go. And then drop shoulder. Drop elbow. Don't squeeze the ball under your armpit. Are your hands warming up? Yes? Feel nice? Yeah. I know, you need to work longer, I know. Keep relaxed. Alright, now we're going to add a little trick, okay? It's this. When you open up, when you go upwards, I want you to imagine You're using your legs to push the arm up. Yeah, you feel like the body is grow taller. Okay, now you relax your leg. You kind of sink down. Okay, go open up. Use your leg to push. Make yourself feel grow taller. Grow taller. Grow taller. Extend. Finger go up. Put it down. Okay, go again. Push your legs. Grow taller. Grow taller. Grow taller. Grow taller. Oh. Go down. Okay. Alright, keep going.